Every day, general contractors of all sizes encounter numerous challenges on their construction projects. From delayed schedules, costly rework, miscommunication, and budget overruns, mitigating these setbacks is essential to delivering successful projects that meet or exceed client expectations. Although the industry is growing rapidly, with increased demand and investment, residential, commercial, industrial, and heavy civil construction has continued to face many of these same challenges since its inception. But a key element of success for the industry's most renowned and profitable contractors lies in their ability to adapt new technology. The largest of these? Drones. Drone technology, a staple on many construction sites, makes it easier than ever to track project progress, conduct site-wide inspections, and share data with multiple teams, contractors, and stakeholders. Useful across all phases of the construction lifecycle, drones eliminate the need for impractical site visits and promote almost instantaneous communication. The construction industry is well known for its high focus on safety among often hazardous workplace environments. However, the use of drones can further enhance existing risk mitigation strategies with autonomous inspections, virtual walkthroughs, and aerial flights. By capturing data from perspectives previously inaccessible, drones can easily identify safety concerns and enable proactive measures. This eliminates the need to put technicians or inspectors at risk by deploying them to hazardous heights, unstable terrain, or other potential dangers. The success of any construction project relies heavily on effective documentation. By utilizing drones, construction companies can take advantage of site digitization, aerial mapping, and progress tracking to achieve comprehensive and detailed record-keeping archives. In turn, these digital assets help prevent costly rework, change orders, litigation, and disputes, which can often be mitigated or resolved entirely without further escalation, serving as a personal quality control tool while decreasing overall risk. By scheduling weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly drone flights in alignment with specific building schedules and milestones, project teams can ensure that they are on time, on budget, and fully prepared to meet each deadline. Regular drone surveys provide detailed inspections and progress reports that can be used as checks and balances, helping to prevent time-sensitive information from being overlooked. In addition, drones can minimize the need for executive site visits, redundant billing hours, and the likelihood of miscommunication. When paired with cloud-based construction management software, daily reports, schedules, imagery, digital twins, and other relevant project data can be sent to various project stakeholders within minutes. This facilitates steady, accurate, and quick one-on-one communication among general contractors, subcontractors, architects, engineers, developers, investors, and owners. By eliminating the possibilities of rework and unforeseen conditions down the line, this approach ultimately helps to streamline the construction process and improve project outcomes. Completing necessary measurements on construction sites can be challenging due to varying topography, unstable stockpiles, and tricky cut-fill projects. These tasks are often prone to human error and are dependent on optimal site conditions. However, drones can help to eliminate the guesswork and streamline these time-consuming and labor-intensive tasks by providing automated on-site surveys of the designated area, providing data such as elevation models, terrain models, and volumetrics, which can be easily cross-checked against as-built and as-designed plans, ensuring precise measurements within tight deadlines. Due to their undeniable impact, the use of drones on job sites has become widely utilized by firms of all sizes in the architecture, engineering, and construction industries. By reducing the need for on-foot inspections, costly project delays, and frequent change orders, drone technology offers a significant return on investment through reduced time and money spent on site. If you're ready to integrate drones into your ongoing construction projects, look no further than the drone life. Our experienced pilots are both federally licensed and OSHA certified, while having extensive real-world experience in the construction industry. We're dedicated to ensuring the success of your project, whether it's a residential development, an industrial logistics complex, or an infrastructure megaproject, by providing reliable and efficient drone services. For more information, visit thedronelifenj.com and speak with an expert today.